In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your ManyChat card on file. Keeping your payment details up to date is really important to make sure your automations keep running smoothly without any interruptions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to fill out, so you can confidently update your card in just a few minutes. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that panel, you'll see an option called Settings, usually represented by a little gear icon. Click on Settings to open up the configuration options for your account. Inside the Settings area, you'll see another menu on the left. Look for the section labeled Billing. Under Billing, you'll find an option called Payment Details. This is where all of your payment information is stored. Click on Payment Details to open that page. On the Payment Details screen, you'll see a summary of your current billing setup. This typically includes your payment method, your billing email, and your next billing date. Take a quick moment to review this information so you know what's currently on file. Right under the payment method section, you'll see an update button. This is what you'll use to change or replace the card on file. Go ahead and click the update button and a form will appear with several fields you'll need to complete. Start by entering your email address. This should be the email where you want to receive billing and payment notifications from ManyChat. Make sure it's spelled correctly and that it's an address you actually check. Next, look at the payment information area. Ensure that the option for card is selected as your payment method. Then, carefully enter your card details, the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVC or security code. Take your time here, because a small typo can cause the payment to fail later. After that, type in the card holder name exactly as it appears on the card. This helps avoid any issues with verification. Finally, enter your full billing address, including street address, city, postal code, and country. This address should match the billing address your bank or card provider has on file. Once you've double-checked that everything looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the form and click Save. ManyChat will update your payment method with the new card details, and you're all set.